Love is not all about the happiness. It's all about the things you have done for each other to deserve happiness. It's about thinking for your partner's sake and not for all your wants and needs. It's not all about that you love him. It's not all about that you need him. It's not all about your life's completion. It's not all about your wants and have-nots. It's all about how you became strong and proven how you really love one each other. And it's something that you need to hold on to. Kaya pag dumating, grab it and never let go. Sabi nga nila, hindi magkakaroon ng baghari kung walang ulan. Kaya ang saya, di mo makakamdan kung walang paghihirap. That is love, diba? It may be full of sacrifices and sufferings, but in the end, love will grant happiness. Love is not the relationship that you have, but the affection and care you show. And the pain that we feel, it is the part of it, because love is useless. There's no sufferings and sacrifices included. And letting go is not about giving up. It's about accepting that there's one thing that cannot be. Ang sarap magmahal, no? Na kahit minsan nasasaktan ka na, okay lang. Kahit minsan binabaliwala ka, di bali na lang. Kahit minsan nagiging tanga ka, ayos lang. Di mo naman kasalanan yun, di ba? Kasi tao ka lang, nagmamahal ka lang. Ito yung sinasabi nilang pag-ibig na dumarating sa maling panahon. At mali ring pagkataon na dapat iwasan. Ngunit bakit hindi maiwas-iwasan? Kaya pag mahal ka, di mo kailangang baguhin ang sarili mo para matanggap ka niya. As long as kaya mong mag-adjust sa relasyon nyo, okay na. Tao ka lang. If hindi ka niya ma-appreciate, tanga siya. May mga taong nakapagbibitaw ng salita through text like, ingat ka, miss you na po, at mahal kita. Pero minsan, harapin mo siya. Tanungin mo kung mahal ka ba niya. Alam mo ba kung ano isasagot niya? Text na lang kita. I don't know how to say nagtatampo ako. I don't know how to shout to the world na galit na ako sa'yo. Pero ganyata talaga pag special siya sa'yo. Na kahit nasasaktan ka na, sinasabi mo pa rin, wala yun, okay lang ako. Sabi nila, ghost daw ang tagapagsalita ng mga sender na natatakot magtapat sa'yo. Yung mga nabasa ko. Ang tunay na pag-ibig, parang terms and condition yan. Di mo na binabasa dahil kahit ano pang nakalaga doon, alam mo sa puso mo ay accept pa rin yung sasagot mo. Making someone fall in love with you is the once upon a time proving to her that it wasn't a mistake the ever after. Trust and honesty are the username and password of the relationship. Tandaan nyo yun. Happy Valentine's.